The biggest mistakes beginners make in digital marketing. You need to watch this video if you are new to digital marketing to avoid these mistakes at all costs. Seriously, I've seen too many beginners wasting time, money, energy, and even their job positions on things that just do not work. If you want to grow faster, attract real results, and avoid spinning your wheels, this video is for you. I will walk you through the biggest mistakes I see beginners make in digital marketing and how to avoid them. I've been in this niche since 2018. I have witnessed a lot of things and I have done a lot of mistakes myself. Now my company promotes online courses. We do marketing and sales for online schools, online universities, as well as we do the full management of online schools. We improve online courses, we do marketing, sales, and communication. We do student support and many other things. So I know how that works. Okay, let's dive in. Mistake number one, buying fake followers. Okay, tell me, was it? No? Was it your case? I get it. You want social proof fast. You think if people see 10K followers on your account, they will take you seriously. But here is the truth. Fake followers ruin your reach. They kill your engagement and make your metrics meaningless. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn prioritize authentic engagement. When you fill your audience with bots, your real audience stops seeing your content. And good luck landing brand deals or clients when they check your numbers and see a 0.5 engagement rate. What to do instead? Focus on building a real community, even if it's small, but it's yours and it's real one. Engage, share value, comment, and grow one person at a time. It's slower, but it's real. It will give you just more effect. If you have just bots on your followers, whom are you gonna sell? To the bots? Or what's the idea behind that? This is what really will lead you to results. Mistake number two is to try to be on every platform. As a beginner, spreading yourself across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, this is the recipe for burnout, okay? More platforms does not mean more success. If you just will copy and paste your content on every platform, this might work, but not really. There is some chances of that. What actually works deep on is one or two channels when you are consistent and you're learning what your audience actually wants, because the difference between audience and platforms is a huge one. Once you get more confident, you can cross-post on any amount of platforms you want. Start small, stay consistent, and scale strategically. Ask yourself, where is my audience spending time? Pick one visual platform, let it be Instagram or TikTok, and one long-form channel like YouTube or email. And master those first. Don't start everywhere, okay? Mistake number three, ignoring analytics. I feel that we are doing good, or I feel that we are doing bad. This is a huge one. You have numbers. If you do not look at it, if you do not understand them, this is a big mistake. Analytics help you to understand what content performs best, where your traffic is coming from, what are the interests of the audience that watch your channel or which are your potential clients, which channels are worth your time, what's converting and what's not. Without numbers, I all the time ask the question, okay guys, how you even make it without looking at the numbers? If you do not know how to understand the numbers, this is the other problem. The first thing, you just need to know that you have to dive deeper into analytics. Whether it's Google Analytics or YouTube Studio or Instagram Insights or Professional Dashboard, check your numbers daily. Not weekly, daily. Even simple things like which posts got the most saves or shares, what's your average watch time, or what is my reach in stories on Instagram. These are the key hints for you to understand how you can use the content, how you can improve it. This kind of feedback is gold. It tells you what to double down on and what to ditch. Mistake number four, skipping strategy and jumping straight into tactics. Let me know in the comments if that's you, the person who is all the time in a hurry. A lot of beginners jump straight into making content without asking why they are doing this or who they are trying to reach. Or I will just start posting. I go to ChatGPT, I ask for a 30-day content plan, I just start posting. Okay, you need a basic strategy. Who are you helping? What problem are you solving? What are you doing? Why are you wasting time on these tactics? What is your strategy? What actions do you want people to take? what you would like to achieve with these actions in 6 months. Every post, video, or campaign should connect back to goal. Are you trying to grow awareness, build a list, or sell something? Content without a strategy equals just noise, just some unrelatable set of actions which just will recipe to burnout. Even a simple one-page content plan can give you way more direction than winning it every week. Mistake number 5, thinking you need to be an expert before starting. Okay, guys, I know that is called imposter syndrome. Here's the truth. You do not need to know everything to start offering value. You just need to be 1 of 2 steps ahead of the person you are helping. Share what you're learning, show your process, document the journey, and be able to share everything on social media. People love seeing real humans grow in a real time. Even more, they like to work with people who are reliable and responsible. If you are not reliable, you can forget about anything, okay? Forget about all what I've just said. People are looking for this quality in employees. Start with what you know, learn as you go, and stay transparent. That builds trust. Don't be afraid to speak about your mistakes. Okay, let's recap the top mistakes beginners make in digital marketing. The first one is buying fake followers. That ruins your engagement. And then at the end of the day, how you gonna use it? What are you gonna sell to those bots, to those people from Arabic countries? Trying to be on every platform leads to burnout. Choose 1 or 2 platforms where you will stay consistent and then just add on while you go. Ignoring analytics leaves you flying blind. Learn how to analyze the numbers. Skipping strategy creates random, ineffective content. Do not stick to tactics. You do not need just to post, just to record the video, or just randomly reach out to potential clients. No, do the strategy first. Waiting to be an expert delays your growth and confidence, and probably it will never ever happen. If you want to grow faster, avoid these traps, stay focused, and take imperfect actions. Don't be afraid to say like, okay, I did that in the past and that did not work out. Let me know in the comments which of these mistakes you've made in the past. And if it was helpful, subscribe for this channel. I share weekly digital marketing tips. You can grow just by watching these videos, as well as in the description box, if you are a digital marketer or you are thinking of launching your personal online course, or you're probably launching online course for somebody, you can get the guide on how to create an online course within 7 days. This is a perfect material which has helped many people, and it will help you to create your first test launch and make the first money. It contains 63 pages and can be applied not solely in online course creation, but in any other niches as well. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you've learned all those mistakes and will never ever make them again in the future. Hit the like button if you like this video, and see you next time.